Hey, what's up everyone? I got a Time Cutter 42-inch Toro zero-turn mower. You can see over here my belt got chewed up. So I got a new one here, and you can see part number 1198819. I encourage you to order these online. They're a lot cheaper than going and getting them from Home Depot, which is unfortunately where I got this one. But what we're gonna do first to change it out, see, we got this like protective cover here. We got one on that side, one on that side. Each of them has 3 bolts. So one right there, there, and there's one real deep in there as well, which is a big pain to get to. So let me come back over here. We're just gonna go ahead and remove these covers, and once we do that, we're going to be able to see what we're working with. One thing I didn't mention was this is a 8mm socket. Just a quick tip: when you are undoing this bolt here, it's best to come from up top here. It's a lot easier. All right, once the bolts are out, these little covers should just slide right on out. And you can kind of see in here what we have going on. What we're gonna do first, let's come over here. I'm gonna take a 14mm bolt, 14mm socket rather, and we're gonna loosen this up pretty loose. That's gonna give this some wiggle room so we can put our belt in there. You don't have to take this off, just make it pretty loose. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll show you what it looks like. Heads up, when you're loosening this, you will need a 14mm wrench to hold it. Otherwise, you'll be just spinning in circles like I just was. All right, so I got the belt underneath here. I kind of popped it up here a little bit. And what we're gonna wanna do, remember that piece we loosened up right here? That allows you to lift it up and to put this through. You wanna make sure this is the flat side. So when you're coming over here and wrapping it around in here, the smaller side kind of wedges in there. So once you kind of have that in place like that, you come back down here and you take this end and you just feed it back through. That way you can wrap it around this engine pulley here. Let's see if we can see it here. There we go. All right, so we kind of got that wrapped around. Hopefully it doesn't pop out. Come back over to this side. And we are just gonna, oh, sorry, I had my finger covering it. And we're just gonna take this piece here and wrap it around like this. Alright, so that's popped in. So now we got everything kind of wrapped in. I'll let you see how that looks. Remember, the flat edge goes against these. The curved inside goes into this. So we're gonna pop this over here. The big thing now is we have to connect this piece back to this. And honestly, it's a little easier to take this off here and hook it to this part first. But before we pull this onto here, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna come back and move this piece right here and tighten it back up. We want to make sure this is not rubbing against our belt, otherwise we're going to be down here again replacing it. So I'm going to tighten that up. I'll be right back. All right, it's nice and snug, all set. What we're doing now is we're just going to get some pliers here, grab this, we're going to pull it back to where we can get it around this piece here. there you have it. Pretty tight. It will spin once this mower gets going. All right, seems to be working. So what we'll do now is we will pop these back on and we'll get to mowing grass. So hope this was helpful. Do me a favor, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe button. That would help me a lot. I'm trying to get to 1,000 right now. And I will also be including a link to a replacement belt and maybe some replacement blades to help y'all out so y'all are getting the best deals possible. So thanks for watching.